Welcome to Ghandruk Village, one of Nepal's most picturesque and culturally rich mountain settlements in the heart of the Annapurna region. Today, we're exploring its history, its culture, its trekking routes, and why every traveler should add Ghandruk to their Nepal itinerary with Trek Me Nepal. Nestled at about 2,012 meters above sea level, Ghandruk is a traditional Gurung village located roughly 32 kilometers northwest of Pokhara. It serves as a gateway to some of Nepal's most iconic trekking routes, like the Annapurna Base Camp in Gordepani Poon Hill treks. Ghandruk's roots are deeply tied to the Gurung community, one of Nepal's indigenous ethnic groups. The village's rich heritage blends spiritual traditions, daily agrarian life, and a proud military legacy. The Gurung people speak Tamukwi, uphold customs influenced by both Bon and Buddhism, and practice rituals guided by lamas and shamans. Their homes, two-storied stone structures with slate roofs, reflect centuries of traditional Himalayan architecture. Gurkha Cultural Museum in the village showcases artifacts, weapons, and uniforms that bring this proud legacy to life. Ghandruk's scenery is nothing short of spectacular. With panoramic views of Annapurna South, Machhapuchhre, the iconic Fishtail, Gangapurna, and Hiunchuli, this village is a photographer's dream. Rolling hills dotted with terraced farms, forests that burst into color during spring's rhododendron bloom, and tranquil stone-paved pathways make every step a beautiful discovery. Ghandruk is a key stop on classic Annapurna trekking routes, including Annapurna Base Camp Trek, Gordepani Poon Hill Trek, and local loops and village walks that connect neighboring hamlets. Whether you're looking for a multi-day Himalayan trek or a shorter cultural walk through rural pathways, Ghandruk has options for all levels. Ghandruk offers a range of tea houses, guest houses, and homestays. Staying with a Gurung family provides intimate insight into daily life, meals, and mountain hospitality. Expect delicious local cuisine, like dal bhat, Gundruk soup, and occasionally dito, all prepared from fresh, locally grown ingredients. Many places also offer hot showers, private rooms, and even Wi-Fi. The best seasons to visit Ghandruk are spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November, when skies are clear and mountain views are breathtaking. Winter brings crisp air and occasional snow, and monsoon season can make trails slippery and cloud cover heavy. The village sits high, so bring layers and be prepared for temperature swings. To trek around Ghandruk, you'll need an Annapurna Conservation Area permit, easy to arrange through licensed agencies in Pokhara or Kathmandu. For photographers, Ghandruk is a canvas, from dramatic sunrise over Annapurna to intimate portraits of Gurung daily life. Don't miss village walks, interactions with locals, traditional music performances, and opportunities to try weaving or cultural dress for photos and memories. At Trek Me Nepal, we tailor trips that blend adventure, culture, comfort, and local expertise. Whether you want a short cultural trek or a longer Himalayan journey, our guides bring experience, safety, and deep local insight. From planning permits, transport, and accommodations to sharing stories of the Gurung heritage, we help make your Ghandruk adventure unforgettable. And join Trek Me Nepal in discovering this timeless Himalayan jewel.